Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about something that's going to blow your mind. HAIPER.AI, a brand new AI tool that lets you generate videos from text and images for free. Can you imagine turning your ideas into stunning videos with just few words? That's the magic of HAIPER.AI. Whether you are a writer with a script, a marketer needing eye-catching content, HAIPER.AI has you covered all. In this video, let's explore HAIPER.AI's feature. We'll see how to use the text-to-video function to create videos from scratch and the image-to-video functions to bring your photos to life. We'll also explore the different customization options available to make your videos truly unique with all its free features. And what's great about this is that the platform is 100% free for anyone to use. So if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So let's check out what Hyper is all about. Before that, if you're really interested in learning AI tools, then we have a workshop, only ₹9, and link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just ₹9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Let's get back to the tutorial. One can easily log in with their registered email ID or through Discord account. Once you allow them, simply go with the free option available and explore section. You will find creation of videos from text in HD quality. You can also upload your own image to bring them in animated form. You can also change the style by repaint into your video color or subject in your video with just a simple text prompt. One can also extend their video duration, but still it's about to come. Each image has their own specific prompt. Once you click on it, you will find a prompt which you can easily copy and get the download button. Even you can add it on your favorite list. You can share it with your threads or Facebook account. Meanwhile, you can copy the link also. The video is a super realistic. Moreover, let's try for the first feature, which is from prompt to video. I have already mentioned the prompt over here, and you can pause the video and read it and just go for the generate options. Within few seconds in creation HD mode, it will create HD quality video. Until it creates a video, you all know that AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best way to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. As I mentioned, a cartoon duck with classic animated characters with a snowy background, it has exactly represented what I wanted. This video is of 2 seconds, but you can change the settings and extend it to up to 4 seconds or even 5 too. Next to this, you will find an eye option where you can create in public, which means the video might be shown to others. You can add this to your favorite or download it. Now let's move to another feature, which is repaint. Repaint tool clicks on the paintbrush icon. To activate the repaint tool, click on the different region button. It will load up to your video into a bigger size. With the plus button activated, you can add small dots to the video to auto select similar areas that you want to repaint. You need to make sure the blue line surrounds the areas you want to repaint. The minus button will deselect the area. Now in the prompt box, you will need to write in your prompt that you want to change the video into driving through the sandy beach and click create. And this is what you get. Honestly, it's not perfect, but it does look like. Let's try generating an image to video. Click on animate your image. Click the upload image button and upload the image you want to animate. Let me type in my prompt. Keep smiling and having fun in the field and click create. Nice. I guess that's how ship have the fun in the sun. It came out pretty good. So what do you think? Overall, Hyper is still young. As you have seen, HAIPER.AI is easy to use, affordable, and comes with a vibrant online community. To join the future of content creation today, do not forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech updates. And if you find try HAIPER.AI, let me know in the comments what kind of crazy videos you create. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time.